From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's pre-cash close. We're cutting out a little bit early, about 10 minutes early. You know, look, the price action in the S&P is still very weak. And adding to its woes today was the jump in crude oil nearing $100, which we haven't seen for quite a long time. I asked Jason Carter here to run his chart for us, but we haven't seen crude above 100 for quite a while. And when the crude started popping up, the S&P started floating into sell programs. You know, and not only that, there's all sorts of global uncertainty floating around, and that's adding to the woes also. You know, look, at the end of the day, the Algos run it up and the Algos run it down. And that's exactly what we've had here today. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 16, 18, half. Mid-morning, the low came in at 16.07 even. Late afternoon, and last, we're 16.07 even. We're up 0.3 handles. We're not even up a full handle, and it's extremely quiet. And you can hear it, and you can see it by the floor. Total volume, we've got 1.5 million minis, and we've only got 2,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had 750 million to buy. Wow. Now late in the day, that's helped the S&P catch a bid here. We were just trading back down at 16.03, and we just traded 16.07. So we're getting a little bias off of that. Tomorrow we've got the MBA Purchase Apps. We've got the Challenger Jobs Cut Report. We've got the ADP unemployment number. We've got the international trade number, crude inventory numbers, a 10, a 30, a 10 and a 30-year note auction, or is that I'm not even sure if that's an auction or if that's an announcement. And then obviously the S&P closes at 12:15 Central Time tomorrow for the 4th of July. Now you know what we want to do. We want to reach out to everybody and wish everybody a great 4th of July and remind everyone that the CME closes tomorrow at 12:15 for the S&P, and then we reopen for the unemployment number on Friday for a full day. So we'll see you first thing on Friday morning for the unemployment report.